Philadelphia is a city full of history, culture, and charm. Known as the birthplace of American independence, it offers a perfect mix of old and new. From cobblestone streets and colonial buildings to modern art spaces and lively food markets, there is something here for every traveler. You can explore iconic landmarks, wander through vibrant neighborhoods, and taste flavors from around the world. Whether you are here for history, art, food, or just to feel the city's unique energy, Philadelphia will leave you inspired and wanting more. The Liberty Bell is one of the most powerful symbols of freedom in the United States. Its famous crack and timeless message have inspired generations. Just steps away is Independence Hall, where the Declaration of Independence and the United States Constitution were debated and signed. Walking through its historic rooms feels like stepping back to the late 18th century, when bold ideas shaped a new nation. Together, these landmarks capture the spirit of liberty and the birth of American democracy. The rocky steps leading up to the Philadelphia Museum of Art are a must for fans of the famous film series. Climbing them is more than just a workout. It is a moment of pure movie magic. At the bottom of the steps stands the Rocky statue, a larger-than-life tribute to the underdog spirit. Visitors from around the world come here to take photos, run the steps, and feel a sense of achievement, just like the beloved character who inspired millions. Reading Terminal Market is a food lover's paradise, bursting with flavors, colors, and aromas. This historic indoor market has been serving visitors for more than a century, offering everything from fresh produce and baked goods to local specialties and international dishes. You can wander through the bustling aisles, sample handmade treats, and watch skilled vendors prepare their craft. It is the perfect place to taste the heart of Philadelphia and experience the city's rich culinary traditions. Elfreth's Alley is the oldest continuously inhabited residential street in the United States. Lined with charming brick houses and cobblestone paths, it feels like stepping into the 18th century. The homes are beautifully preserved, offering a rare glimpse into early American life. As you walk down the narrow lane, you can imagine the daily routines of artisans, merchants, and families who once lived here. It is a quiet, picturesque corner of Philadelphia, with a story on every doorstep. Eastern State Penitentiary is one of the most famous and historic prisons in the world. Opened in the early 19th century, it was known for its revolutionary design and strict system of solitude. Today, its towering stone walls and crumbling cell blocks create a haunting atmosphere that draws visitors from around the globe. Walking through the silent corridors, you can explore the cells, hear stories of former inmates, and reflect on the history of crime and punishment in America. Chinatown is a vibrant neighborhood filled with culture, flavor, and energy. Its colorful streets are lined with restaurants, bakeries, and shops offering traditional goods and delicious dishes from across Asia. The ornate Friendship Gate marks the entrance, welcoming visitors to explore the rich heritage that thrives here. From dim sum and hand-pulled noodles to unique gifts and festivals, Chinatown offers an unforgettable taste of community and tradition in the heart of Philadelphia. Fairmount Park is a vast green escape in the heart of Philadelphia, offering peaceful trails, scenic river views, and beautiful gardens. It is home to historic mansions, public art, and spaces perfect for walking, cycling, or simply relaxing in nature. The park's rolling landscapes and shaded paths make it a favorite spot for both locals and visitors. Whether you come for a quiet picnic or an afternoon of exploration, Fairmount Park offers a refreshing break from the city's busy streets. The Benjamin Franklin Bridge is an iconic span connecting Philadelphia to Camden, New Jersey. Its sweeping blue steel arches stretch high above the Delaware River, offering stunning views of the city skyline and waterfront. Opened in the early 20th century, it remains both a vital transportation link and a striking piece of engineering. Walking or cycling across the bridge is a memorable way to experience Philadelphia from a unique perspective. Thirtieth Street Station is a grand gateway to Philadelphia, and one of the most beautiful train stations in the country. Its soaring ceilings, tall columns, and elegant architecture reflect the golden age of rail travel. Inside, the busy concourse is filled with travelers, while the station's historic details create a timeless atmosphere. Whether you arrive by train or simply stop to admire its design, 30th Street Station is a landmark that blends history, movement, and beauty. Love Park is a lively public space known for its famous love sculpture, a symbol of joy and togetherness. Surrounded by fountains, trees, and city views, it is a favorite spot for photos, picnics, and people watching. The park's central location makes it a perfect place to pause while exploring Philadelphia. With its welcoming atmosphere and iconic artwork, Love Park captures the spirit of warmth and connection that defines the city.